how to change Facebook page name. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. It's actually super easy to do. So if you found this video helpful, definitely let me know in the comments and let's get started. So what you want to do is go to the menu, so in the bottom right corner. Then here you can actually see your pages. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to one of these. So by clicking on it, and then you will have to actually switch to it. And now I'm actually like in my page. So I'm like I am in the page right now. So what you want to do is go to the bottom right corner again and then scroll a bit down to see help and support, and then click, to the settings and privacy, and then go to settings. Then right at the top, you can see page settings for your page. So click on there. And then here you can see your name. So there you want to click on. And then simply here you can actually change this. So if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.